Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an interesting problem at hand. Imagine you have a device that suddenly stops working and you're left scratching your head trying to figure out what went wrong. This kind of issue can be frustrating, especially when you rely on that device for your daily tasks. But fret not, because we're here to dive into the solution for this problem together. So, the solution to our problem lies in understanding the importance of performing a hard reset on the malfunctioning device. By holding down the power button for an extended period of time, we can force the device to reboot and reset its system. This simple solution can often resolve software glitches and bring the device back to life. Remember, when in doubt, a hard reset can be your best friend in troubleshooting unexpected issues. In addition to the hard reset, another solution to consider is checking for any software updates available for your device. Sometimes, a simple update can fix bugs and improve the device's performance. By staying up to date with the latest software releases, you can ensure that your device runs smoothly and efficiently. Keep in mind that regular updates are essential for the overall health of your device. In summary, when faced with a device that suddenly stops working, don't panic. Remember to try a hard reset by holding down the power button and check for any available software updates. These simple solutions can often work wonders in resolving common issues and getting your device back on track. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your favorite tech troubleshooting story. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy troubleshooting.